Section 20 of the Code of Criminal Procedure in India. It outlines the role and responsibilities of executive magistrates. The section states that the state government has the authority to appoint as many executive magistrates as it deems necessary in every district and metropolitan area. One of these magistrates shall be appointed as the district magistrate. An executive magistrate can also be appointed as an additional district magistrate and shall have certain powers of a district magistrate as directed by the state government. In case the office of a district magistrate becomes vacant, an officer shall temporarily take over the executive administration of the district and shall exercise the powers and perform the duties of the district magistrate until further orders from the state government. The state government can also place an executive magistrate in charge of a subdivision and relieve him of the charge as needed. This official shall be called the subdivisional magistrate. The state government can also delegate its powers to the district magistrate by general or special order and subject to control and direction. Lastly, the section states that nothing in this section shall prevent the state government from conferring all or any of the powers of an executive magistrate to a commissioner of police in relation to a metropolitan area.